Trade recap. Dang, July 29th, 2026. Banework. Really good trade. Really obvious draw on liquidity. Protection for the break even. Everything was great. So let's break it down real quick. So we had these obvious high time frame draws here. All of these lows were bound to get taken eventually by price. I actually didn't know if it was going to be today. We never know until we know. We had these two low resistance lows on the higher time frame, with the bottom of it being previous day lows. So at market open, there was a setup I faded. We were sponsored by this 30-minute, and we had a 2-minute sponsored gap from the 30-minute right here. I just didn't take it, mostly because of these draws up here. I just felt like these could very easily get ran through. Price could just completely stop out every position from this trade right here. But it did end up playing out. But 2-minute sponsored gap from the 30-minute, 30-second IFUG. Could have entered on that. Very protected stop loss on the looks of it on the lower time frame. I just felt like the higher time frame wasn't in line enough with it for me to be able to take that. So I faded that. I actually did not take lawns anywhere in here either off of this 30-minute internal low. Reasoning why is this: I just felt like it was really weak. There wasn't a lot going on, and I knew that there was a stronger narrative to go lower. At this point on ES, which is around right here, we just pushed down and edged the previous day low, starting that low resistance run on the higher time frame, and we're leaving a 5-minute gap. So I had a pretty easy idea for the day of pulling back into this 5-minute to be able to trade lower into previous day lows. We are sponsored by the 30-minute, and just the higher time frame draw and liquidity was obviously pulling us and like magnetizing us lower. So we ended up manipulating into a 5-minute gap right here. I didn't care about this 30-minute internal low anymore because of the draw and liquidity, and also just because we didn't really see any strong reactions off of this. These are really weak closes. We have a lot of wicks to the upside. So highest time frame inversion was the 3-minute. Obvious trade for me. Always take the highest time frame inversion on the manipulation leg. That will save you a lot of trades. So yeah, 3-minute entry. Break even was actually at the previous day low, which was on the same candle as my break even line here. But yeah, break even at these lows and previous day lows here. And I just very much expected NASDAQ to want to seek out previous day lows as well. So I held for 1.6. This 5-minute gap formed while we were break even, protecting our break even stop loss. Perfect tap to send us back lower. Very good day. I actually was not expecting this good a price action because of FOMC, but it was pretty good. So that'll be it for today. I am executing on my computer because of Alpha Trader. I don't know if y'all can see it. The execution marks. I don't know if you can or not, but I did execute. I am not going to tell y'all I took a trade that I didn't actually take. So yeah, that is it for the day. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out. God bless.